Schools use educational standards to ensure each student receives complete and appropriate instruction, and identify any deficiencies that need to be addressed. Schools can use standards they've authored themselves, or employ a set of standards used by a wide range of schools, such as diocesan, state standards, or even national standards. Adopting a set of standards allows your school to share the same understanding as other schools about what content to teach and what student mastery looks like. This may sound complicated, but GradeLink makes it easy for you to incorporate standards into your school. In order to report on student mastery, educators indicate which standards are being taught or mastered in each of their lesson plans or assignments. Schools that track mastery have the advantage of being able to identify and close gaps in the curriculum using precise data about their students. They are also very efficient with the time they spend providing student support because they can pinpoint the standards that have yet to be mastered by each student. With consistent tracking in place, educators and parents can feel confident students are acquiring the knowledge and skills necessary, not just to go to the next grade level, but to continually enhance their chances of succeeding at higher levels of learning. However, with all that said, many schools are not adequately identifying whether standards are being met. The challenge is there are numerous standards for every subject. If the tracking system is too difficult or time-consuming or lacks customization, then educators aren't likely to want to use it, which leads to inaccurate reporting and causes the whole system to break down. GradeLink simplifies the process and virtually guarantees standards are being correctly identified by allowing educators to easily attribute which standards are being addressed in each assessment or lesson plan. Plus, on each report card, data can show to what level a student has mastered an individual standard or group of standards. Report cards in GradeLink are customizable, so it's simple to detail the primary standards that are being met, or it can be broken down to further demonstrate subcategories that are being achieved as well. When using GradeLink to its full capabilities for creating both lesson plans and report cards, indicating which standards are being mastered is really only one click away. Plus, administrators will be able to continually ensure each teacher and every student is meeting the standards needed to maximize everyone's success. By using GradeLink, these actions are streamlined and easy for everyone. If you want to go deeper into standards, check out the next video where we cover options for configuring and tracking standards in more detail.